everyone. How are you tonight? Tomorrow's Friday. Yay! Hey, Soul. You missing your wife? Hi, Rebecca. Going to make something for a teacher tonight, but it also could be used for your mom. That was reindeer talk. Okay, I think I'm pinning my store in the comments. So I kind of held off getting this transfer. I'm going to open it up so you guys can see it. Can't get it out of here when I let go. I just rip it out of there. Says, OMG, my mother was right about everything. We're going to change this up for a teacher tonight. Hopefully it's not going to be bad internet service. Can you go turn the TV off there? See if that'll make a difference. So we have a bigger transfer. This is 8.5 by 11. I am not gonna, well, I think I am gonna fuzz this. So fuzzing your transfer, because this is new, you can lay it on a microfiber cloth and then peel it off. Hi, Robin. And it just makes it so that it doesn't peel up your surface. So I'm going to try to center this the best that we can. My dogs are going to go crazy. I'm sorry. And the colors I picked are kind of like pencil colors. The first color we're going to use, and I'm going to have to do this strategic or quick. I'm going to use School Bus, White, and Elephant Gray, and I'm going to use Peachy. Can I turn the TV off?
I made it better. I turned it off last night.
I'm sorry, guys. Hopefully this isn't going to do this tonight. There we go. So I'm just stirring up my chalk paste. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to omit the word mother, and we're not going to do that part. And I'm just going to move down, pull up this transfer as I move down. We'll do white here. Hi, Danny. Hi, Dawn. Hi, Judith. We're going to make a gift for a teacher.
Am I getting this to Miss Diana?
Maybe. But this is a transfer that's kind of, it can be used for Mother's Day as well. Okay. And I'm just doing Alicia and I, and I'm just peeling up where what we're doing. The colors I chose tonight are elephant gray, white, school bus, and we're going to do the word teacher in peachy. So it kind of like represents pencil colors, like the color of a pencil, a number 2 pencil.
Oh, they can see me wearing my shirt.
Yeah, Alicia wore her shirt today to school. And just scraping off. This is chalk paste, goes on wet, dries hard. And I'm just scraping off the extra and putting it back in my container. Okay, so we're going to peel this off.
It's on the board.
So we have that, and now all we have left to do.
Oh, you should.
Hi, Paula. Hi, Michelle.
You should have done.
It's okay. Okay.
The middle, this color, and then the end, this color.
It's okay. I'm just soaking my transfer upside down in water to make sure that the chalk doesn't dry on it, and then I can wash it after we're done and reuse it for another time. You know, you can use it several times. It's a marvelous thing about Couture. Okay, so then there is a font that matches this really good. I don't have that. It's called Harmon Retro Font. I don't have that one, so I found, I think I have chalk font, and I think that's what we're going to use tonight. I may have to look to make sure. Hi, Isle. Hi, Amy. Ready to have that baby? So I'm just closing up what I'm using and then putting all my stuff in the tray. Okay. So then we're going to do the word teacher in peachy. Looks just like an eraser, doesn't it? So that's what color it looks like. It looks like eraser pink. Okay, so I got all that stirred up. I have this laser square, and this is by We Are Memory Keepers, and I don't know if you can see the laser light go across, which will help me align my letters. I don't need that one. Okay, so stop.
To make them straight, yeah.
I'm fine. Turn off. Sometimes she's a little too helpful, but we're going to conquer this. Okay. So I'm going to do, I'm trying to, we'll try to do every other letter. I know. The last few weeks is the hardest.
What?
She's gonna have a baby.
Like shallow?
No, with somebody else. So I'm just kind of guesstimating on, I'm going to see how it looks. Looks like a hot mess, but I kind of want to make sure my word is going to fit and it's not going to be... So that should be good. And then I'm going to take these out. I'll take the middle ones out. I'm using, it's called a We Are Memory Keepers laser square, Paula, and it's kind of cool because it's got the laser on it and you can just line it up with your board. Okay, so let's hope this works, but we'll see. If not, I think I can fix it. So we're going to do each letter. Okay, so I'm just going to scrape off my extra. Put it back in my container. And the only letter that I need to use twice is the E. Did everybody get a chance to look at the new catalog? They call it Celebration Suite. Okay. Just got to give that a second to dry. But look what I picked up for the edges. I found these wooden rulers and I took the little metal groove that was in the metal piece that's in here. I just pulled it out. But I'm going to use this as a frame on here. And I may stain the rulers. But I can add these as my frame. I don't have my hair dryer in here tonight, so we gotta be patient. See, and I moved my laser. There's the E. My letters are a little bit far apart, but there's that one. And then we just have the letter C. You have to look at it, Paula. There's some pretty cute things in there for summer. Oop. I wonder if I can. I don't know why it lifted all that. There we go. So then I can go back and just kind of clean it up a little bit. Just a Q-tip and water. And turn my laser off. But then see, I think if I stain this, it'll be super cute. And there's a little teacher's gift. Hopefully you can see that. I'll give it just a second. So something for teachers. I just thought that was kind of cool. Tammy, my downline, had made one the other day, and it was so cute. So, thank you for joining me tonight. Have a good night, and we will see you again this weekend. Bye-bye.